Thank you, Nick. In your community, the 41st annual St. Patrick's Day Parade took place in downtown Springfield over the weekend, and more than 2,000 people showed up to celebrate. Our photojournalist Amber Newingham was at the event and gives us a look at some of the excitement. Thank you, Amber. You can also get your News Channel 20 news delivered straight to your inbox. Sign up now for the newsletter at newschannel20.com.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more videos from News Channel 20.